PDAparts.com presents the iPhone 3G LCD removal and replacement directions. Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You're using these video directions and its content at your own risk. AX Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or condition of any kind, express or implied. Following these directions on this video will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. Make sure to click the subscribe button and also click the link to our website, PDAparts.com, on the right side of your screen. Using the SIM removal tool, or if you don't have one available, use a paper clip and remove the SIM tray. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, there are two screws located at the bottom of the iPhone, right on each side of the main connector. Remove both of those with the small Phillips screwdriver. Using a case opener tool, start near the first screw that you took out, and you'll be able to pry the screen loose using a case opener tool from PDAparts.com. There are still 3 cables holding the display to the motherboard. They are numbered 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you remove them in that order. The third one is a little tricky as it is pushed in and not just pushed down on the connector. You'll lift a small white tab at the back of the connector up to about a 45-degree angle, and the ribbon will slide out. We're now going to remove the LCD from the touch panel assembly. There are 3 screws on one side. 2 of the screws are under tape. You will need to lift that tape to get them out. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, please remove the 3 screws on this side of the LCD and touch panel assembly. Using the same small Phillips screwdriver, remove the other 2 small screws on the other side of the screen assembly. There is one more screw at the top back of the assembly that will need to be removed with a small Phillips screwdriver also before you're able to remove the LCD assembly. Using a case opener tool, gently remove the LCD assembly. For all your parts and accessory needs, please be sure to visit us on the web at PDAparts.com. Use coupon code YouTube for a 5% discount at checkout.